Chirag Paswan has reached Delhi. Let's in fact listen into what he said after landing in the national capital a short while back.
लड़ने को दी 5 सीटें हम लोग लड़े, 5 सीटें हम लोग जीते। ये कहीं ना कहीं लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी रामविलास के लिए एक बड़ी जीत है। गठबंधन के और मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी के विश्वास पर हम लोग खरा उतरे और मैं इसके लिए बिहार की जनता का मैं आभार प्रकट करता हूँ।
सर, अब एनडीए सरकार बनाने जा रही है, क्या प्रक्रिया, क्या आपकी रणनीति रहेगी?
मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी बहुत जल्द तीसरी बार देश के प्रधानमंत्री पद की शपथ लेंगे। पूरा एनडीए एकजुट होकर इस सरकार को 5 साल तक मजबूती से चलाने का काम करेगा। थैंक यू।
All right. We are being joined now by Ayush Sharma on the broadcast. Ayush, Chirag Paswan has also arrived in Delhi. He will also be attending the NDA meeting later today.
Well, yes, Chirag Paswan has just left from the Delhi airport and he's all set to attend the NDA meeting today evening. Also, Chirag Paswan, while leaving from Delhi airport, addressed the media and he said, I quote and unquote, that we contested on 5 seats and won all the 5 of them. And this is a very big win for the Lok Janshakti Party. Ramvilas, we have met the expectations of Alliance as well as that of the Prime Minister, he said. And for this, I express gratitude to the people of Bihar, my Prime Minister, and take oath for the 3rd time as the PM soon, and the entire NDA will run this government for 5 years with all its strength. So this confidence can be seen in the voice of Chirag Paswan while he just entered Delhi, and now he's all set to attend the NDA meeting later today in the evening. Over to you.
All right. Also, he reacted, he spoke, of course, to the media. He's expressed his faith and confidence in PM Modi. Ayush.
Well, yes, as he stated that PM Modi as mere Pradhan Mantri, my Prime Minister, so he is showing his faith, and all the 5 seats which he have won in the Bihar, he is saying that all 5 of them are now dedicated towards PM Modi. He is showing his support, and it is expected that he will also support PM Modi. Sorry?
All right. Chirag Paswan also, of course, arriving there to attend the NDA meeting. So the NDA's allies, of course, all arriving in Delhi. Rajlakshmi Joshi, NDA's allies arriving there. Chirag Paswan, of course, has done extremely well, hasn't he, in Bihar? Bihar, of course, is a state where the NDA has done very well. Chirag Paswan's party winning all 5 seats, said it was allocated and contested from Rajlakshmi.
Well, and also he is, he has had some difference of opinions especially with Nitish Kumar in the past, and yet, he overcame all of that and he has stood firmly with the NDA. So he has in the past also said that, he is a strong supporter of Modi ji. In fact, he is so far as went ahead to say that he is like Hanuman ji to PM Modi. So that was the kind of dedication that he had towards PM Modi. So he is a very strong supporter and he has done extremely well. And I think that, he definitely has this, he is definitely going to stand very strongly with the NDA. So I don't think that there is any chance that he will move over to the India Alliance. So, there are some of these parties, like I said, they have this ideological similarity with the BJP. So then that is the reason why they would not want to go over to any other side. And especially so, since they see that there is definitely more stability with the NDA. Because the party in question, the BJP, definitely has a much larger number, 2.5 times more the number of what the largest number of the India Alliance has got, the Congress. So from 99 to 240, I think that is a difference. That's a huge difference there. So definitely, and all of them put together also, they are lesser than the NDA Alliance.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.